Hi, Pignatelli. I'm actually doing this video recording at home. To tell you quite frankly and honestly, it is the first time that I have ever done it for a retreat. Well, it just goes to show that I like you as a class. Because if not, then why would I bother to take a video of myself and send it to you, right? Well, anyway, since you're having a retreat now, I wish you so well. I hope that it is an opportunity for you to reconcile yourself with God, to renew your faith, and I also hope that it is an opportunity for you to strengthen your bond with your classmates. And I am hoping that when we get to see each other next week, everyone is already renewed and that everyone is willing to participate already in every discussion. Well, I'm sorry also for not appearing in our class yesterday because I had a cough and it was severe and I didn't like to go to school because I didn't like you to get infected. But nevertheless, I'd like to tell you that I missed you all. Promise. That is very true. So, Pignatelli, let's meet next week. Buah.